Okay, I want to show this to you. I was messing around with magnets. I was trying to get magnets to pull the marbles around, and you can see it's somewhat effective, but it's really difficult. It's really difficult to get the distance just right because of the old R squared law thing. It makes these quite hard to control. But as I was holding this bucket and I was trying to get this to swirl, I realised I don't need a magnet at all. Marbles just want to naturally swirl in the bucket anyway. You just give it a little... Sorry, it's extremely loud. Marbles want to naturally swirl around inside the bucket anyway. So why do we need to spin the whole thing when we can just tilt it in a circular way? I don't know if that's coming across in the video, but that is extremely loud, resonating in this bucket here. And also it's a bit jerky because it's hard to control, so I'm going to have a go at sort of lining this. But the idea would be is that these would swirl around. Now the one complication is where your outfeed is, that's going to move up and down as this swirls around, so you have to make your outfeed a bit more complicated, but it's less complicated in the fact that the whole thing doesn't need to spin, which is less rotating mass, and also doesn't need any brushes or anything spinning inside which could jam. So I quite like this idea. I'm going to have a go at, see if I can deaden that sound a bit because this is extremely loud. Okay, so I'm back and I've lined this inside of this with cardboard to try and make it a bit quieter, and also I'm using this small ball that I found, which is just a cat's toy, to give it an even height in the middle when I'm doing the swirl. Let's see how it works now. I think that's far more effective.